Today, we're releasing this beast of a software to the general public so that you can also start profiting more by working less as well. You can now start ranking page 1 in Google in a few simple mouse clicks. You can now start claiming the traffic you deserve. You can now start receiving those big affiliate checks, and you can automate the entire process with our easy-to-use and reliable software. For 500 plus high-quality social bookmarks to any URL of your choice on complete autopilot, no technical skills or knowledge. Not only is our software easy to use, but it comes with video tutorials, training manuals and a full support forum. It works extremely fast. You can put our software to work today and start building high-quality links on complete autopilot. It's extremely easy use. One of the easiest softwares you ever used. We have laid it into 4 simple clicks of your mouse. Or 1 click, if you choose. Requires very little time to manage. Once you get this software installed, it only takes minutes to get a campaign up and running and working for you 24/7. It's a low-cost way to get ranking fast. Once you start using our software, you are done buying expensive software, services or even dozens of filler gigs. Works from anywhere in the world. As long as you have an internet connection, our software will be working for you anywhere and at all times. Why choose SocialRobot? 1-click posting. Once your project is configured, all you need to do is click the 1-click posting button, and the whole process from social bookmarking, account creation, email verification, posting and link verification will happen automatically. Pure magic. Automatic updates. Software updates are pushed out frequently. Bugs are fixed fast. Customers' ideas and requests are heard and often integrated. But most importantly, the update happens automatically on SocialRobot Startup. Multiple CMS support. SocialRobot currently supports the following platforms: Plig, Ptug, Scuttle, Scuttleplus, GetBoo, and Hotero. New platforms are being constantly added. Local database storage. SocialRobot uses local database. That means everything that happens when you add sites to a project or create an article in SocialRobot is stored in the database and stays there until you delete it. Multi-threaded. Up to 200 threads can be used for every imaginable action equals blazing fast action. For those of you that don't know what threads are, simply said, it's like having 200 browsers open doing all the work simultaneously in the background. Spinning. Spinner Writer, Spinner Chief, WordEye and the Best Spinner are supported in SocialRobot. That means all the content rewriting is like a walk in the park, easy and simple. Nested spinning is also supported. Proxies support. Anonymous and private HTTP proxies can be used with SocialRobot. It comes with a handy proxy handling interface that includes checking if proxies are alive, measuring response time, etc. When using proxies, they're always being rotated to prevent unwanted bans. CAPTCHA support. We have built-in CAPTCHA solving engine that will solve the simplest CAPTCHA types. DFB CAPTCHA, DCAPTCHA, Image Typers, GSA CAPTCHA Breaker and CAPTCHA Sniper are also supported. You can solve CAPTCHA manually by entering text from images or answering questions. Powerful scheduler. Jobs, consisting of tasks registration, email confirmation, posting, link verification are added through a simple wizard. Each task can run once, date time specified by user, or repeat hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. Number of sites can be specified for each task. Tasks can be chained with delayed.export links. SocialRobot can export both only posted or also already verified links. It can export them in a simple TXT file or in a much more in-depth Excel format that includes sites, platform, PR, do follow status, etc. Ideal for those that provide social bookmarking services or anyone else that just wants a pretty report. SocialBase. SocialBase is a huge database of working social bookmarking sites that is constantly being refreshed and monitored. There are literally hundreds of working sites available in SocialBase. Available in AUTOPILOT indexing. SocialRobot comes with a built-in pinger, so your link building efforts won't go unnoticed. We have also integrated with indexification, Linklicious and Link Pipeline, which will do wonders to your links. Live Links Checker. Posted articles can easily be checked for link presence. You can also easily export only live links. Sites filters. You can easily filter individual project and social-based sites to target exactly the ones you want. Some of the filters include Do Follow filter, PageRank filter, CAPTCHA filter, Platform filter, .edu and .gov filter. Logging facility. Sometimes everything doesn't go according to the plan. There can be lots of reasons for failure, and with SocialRobot you'll always know what's wrong. Every action and result can be logged and reviewed at a later time. Blacklists. We all know that sites in a bad neighborhood can have a negative impact on your rankings. That's why SocialRobot allows you to add bad sites to a blacklist. This way you can exclude them from your link building.